What's up? Hey, it's your boy J23rd, and we are back with another video. Hey man, listen. Again, thank you everybody that like and subscribe and share and do everything. And we finna just keep going up, man. We like 5 videos in right now, 6, 8. I don't even know, game. But hey, listen, man. I'm actually on the way to go take my car to the shop. Reasons, we finna put a tune kit in this bad boy. Yes, sir, ski. So that much to show me a little love, bro. That's all I got to say. And let's keep it going, man. Let me take these off, man. I broke my glasses the other day, bro. I'm mad because they be looking crooked on me and stuff. But put it in for real, bro. Like it, comment, subscribe, share, ring that bell notification. Show your grandma the video. Show your dog. Show your cat. Show your uncle. Show your cousin that get on your nerves. I'm actually here at the shop right now, so. She getting work done. Right now they putting down the charge pipes and the downpipe on there. So yeah, so just giving y'all an update. We got the charge pipe on. They working on the downpipe, as y'all can see. Can't wait to show y'all how this thing sound, man.
Y'all ready?
Don't be mad if it ain't mine, man.
God damn! Alright, what's good, y'all? We're back at the shop. Get ready to get her washed up, vacuumed and stuff for this car meet tonight. But yeah, man, she's sounding so good, bro. Get ready to show y'all after this, but we got her tuned up, light tune right now. We ain't do too much, but once she's cleaned up and vacuumed and stuff like that, then I'll show y'all the tune. But stay tuned, man. That's all I gotta say. We outside all summer, bro. Oh yeah, that boy pulled up too trim. It louder than yours. Hey, bro, you ain't hearing shit, man. Bro, that cat, bro, your shit going though. What you talking about? Come on. On a good Tuesday, it might be. You know what I'm saying? Oh God. I ain't gonna lie, I can dust it.
Cap.
I just play. He look. That boy said he on that good crack. He on that good crack. You don't think I? Come on, guy. If I give him a 60-second head start, you think I can dust it? What?
The only way.
Bugatti swap. Bugatti
swap engine. That's all you need, bro.
Hey man, look. We're gonna Bugatti swap the X5.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh,
hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
I'm telling you right now. What you think about that? He had to think about it like, is these niggas for real? Alright, man. Y'all know what the vibes is, man. We outside with it. Just with the chips. You know what I'm saying? Go come get your snacks. But yeah, man, we got the Tesla. We got the BMW. More BMW. My BMW in the cut. Okay. All right, walk me through it. What we doing now, Brandon?
Just on this intake, my boy.
Yes, sir.
Gotta get that horsepower.
Yes, sir. Hey, he finna make me turn my Burbles up. Oh, yeah. Let me go ahead and get in my shit real quick, man. right. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What'd you say? All stock cars lining up?
All star cars.
I'm gapping every stock car on the market right now. You said the black one, but I just heard it crackling, gang.
No, you did. You hear shit?
That one, that was that snare drum we were talking about earlier.
Yeah, we was in there drumming. It's gotta be on the roof racks. Bolted on right here. Bolted onto the other one. Down force, baby. Let's go.
If I do that, I might well go muffler delete, everything delete.
Cam.
Yeah.
Cam that man.
Hell nah, I
Yeah,
never
the
put
red
no
light.
big ass shit like that on there.
My banner has a lisp.
Boy pulled up in the Burbles from GTA. That shit hard as fuck though. Alright. Over the, you know what's so crazy? I used to always want a 6x6. This shit hard as fuck. Alright, y'all, so we got laundry detergent and body wash because I'm running out of both. My lips kind of dry today. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, gonna head back to the crib. Probably make some beats. I'm waiting to see when to pick up my ATV because I think it's just about done. So I may do that today. It's kind of raining, so I may wait till tomorrow. But yeah, man, Target run.
2-3.
All right, what's good, y'all? I'm finna let y'all hear the little turbo upgrades we done did. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, shout out to Brandon and Jeremy for getting me right. I really appreciate y'all. Real quick, I gotta drive on the way to the crib. I gotta get some stuff done, but I'm gonna see y'all if I end up picking up my ATV today. I'm gonna see y'all there. But alright, I had to throw in the shades real quick to lock in. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm loving this. You hear that? You hear that? Sound like gunshots. What we doing? Playing the drums on them boys, you know what I'm saying? Hey, my boy Jalen had me cracking up last night, bro. Alright, y'all, so the only downside about this life, I gotta fill up every day, bro. $70. But, yeah, man, it's the life we chose, that's the life we living. Now, it's really because I be gassing it a lot, though. Like, I feel like if I calm down, then it'll be straight, but I'm in my giddy phase because I just got it done. But yeah, man, let me show you Jason the third Euro Performance. We chilling, gang. Yeah, look what we got back, man. The Dat Gum Raptor. That was my country as hell, but nah, man, we done got the Raptor back. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on right now. We got the new exhaust installed. And my bad if you hear my brother cutting grass in the backyard. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing I can do about that. But we got the dual exhaust. Woo! Woo! Let's go. I want to show y'all the lake real quick. Alright, y'all, so I'm getting ready to take my ATV to the mechanic because I got an antifreeze leak, and what do you know, now I got a tire leak, so get my tire changed. But look at these calipers though. What y'all think? Red suits it, what y'all think? I think that jump look clean. I'm gonna go ahead and get that stuff prepared real quick, man. And we out to Augusta to the mechanic, so I'll catch y'all soon. Gang. That's my mechanic, y'all, man. We testing out the bikes, make sure everything good, but we'll catch y'all in a bit. Let me go catch up. You sure you don't want any macaroni and cheese, son? Alright, man, my intercooler just came in, so we get ready to pop this on soon. But yeah, let's go. I ain't even gonna unbox it yet, I'm gonna wait. But this is so when I'm doing high speeds and stuff like that, you know, it'll cool down faster. Speed factory. But yeah, man, let's go. All right, what's going on, y'all? So I'm currently replacing these carbon fiber. So gotta go wash my car again today, but yeah, man, gonna replace these, but I'll catch y'all in a bit. Gotta do the headlights too, so yeah.